guys, this is Ben Cadden back with another video with Millennial Millions. Today we're talking about the top ways on how to boost your credit score. My credit score right now is just at 745. I want to share with you some things I did and you can do to increase your credit score and build your credit. One of the top ways to increase your credit score is to become an authorized user on a credit card of someone who has already established credit. Becoming an authorized user on an established account will help you build a history of credit with what's called piggybacking. This method will boost your credit score, giving you access to obtaining credit in your own name. Once the authorized card shows on your credit report, obtain a credit card in your own name. While you can often obtain credit cards through various lenders, the easiest one to get approved on is the Amex Blue Card or Capital One. Also, websites like LendUp allow you to take out loans as small as $100, which will give you installment credit and boost your score significantly. The link for LendUp will be in the description below. When you are first developing good credit, do your best not to carry a balance. Use each of your credit cards for small purchases such as gas, and pay off the balance every single month. Another point to remember, when you apply credit in your own name, don't apply for too many accounts in a short period of time. Every time you apply for credit cards, your credit score will drop for 60 days. If you apply for more than 5 cards in 24 months, typically you will get declined for any other credit. Just obtain 1 or 2 credit cards and pay it off monthly. One final thing to remember when trying to increase your credit score is this: do not co-sign on any loans for your friends, family, or business partners. The applicant is unable to pay for the debt for which you co-sign. You will become liable for the debt and it will definitely hurt your credit score. I encourage all of you to follow these steps. If you do, it's very likely your credit score will increase. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and like the video, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace!